In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to excel in dark mode. Have you ever found yourself straining your eyes after a long day of crunching numbers and creating charts in Excel? Maybe you've heard whispers of a coveted feature that can provide some much needed relief for your tired eyes. Dark mode. Today I'm here to guide you through each step needed to transform your Excel interface into a sleek, eye-friendly dark theme that not only looks cool but can help reduce eye strain during those late-night spreadsheet sessions. Let's kick things off by opening up Excel. It's probably where you spend a lot of your time if you're watching this video, analysing data, building reports, or maybe just organising your personal budget. Once Excel is open, the next step is to navigate to the File tab located at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on File brings up a variety of options, but for our journey into the dark side, we're interested in one specific destination. After opening the File tab, look towards the bottom of the sidebar on your left. Here you'll find an option labelled Account. Go ahead and click on it. The Account section holds personalization settings among other things, but what we're after is the ability to change the visual theming of your Excel workspace. Now within the Account area, you should see an option for Office Theme. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu with a few different choices. The options you see can range from colourful themes to more subdued options, but for the purpose of soothing our eyes and embracing the dark aesthetic, we're going to select the black theme. Choosing the black theme instantly transforms your Excel interface into dark mode, providing a visual experience that's easier on the eyes, especially in lower light conditions, or for those who prefer a darker workspace for any reason. The dark mode affects not just the ribbon and toolbars, but also the background of your spreadsheets, giving you that full dark mode effect that's not only stylish, but also beneficial for reducing eye strain. There are a few things worth noting about using Excel in dark mode. First, while the dark mode changes the interface and the area around your spreadsheet, it doesn't automatically change the background of the spreadsheets themselves to black. The cells you work within will retain their white background unless you manually change the fill color of the cells. Doing so can further reduce white light emission and enhance your dark mode experience. Secondly, if you're presenting your spreadsheet or sharing your screen, keep in mind that dark mode may not be ideal for all viewers. It might be helpful to switch back to a lighter theme for these instances to ensure clarity and visibility for your audience. Lastly, embracing dark mode goes beyond aesthetics. It's a practical choice for many professionals. It can help reduce eye strain during prolonged periods of work, make text easier to read in low light conditions, and it might just add a bit of personality to the usual stark business application. In conclusion, switching Excel to dark mode is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your user experience. By following the steps laid out in this tutorial, you've not only learned how to switch themes in Excel, but you've also gained insight into why you might want to do so. Remember, personalizing your workspace, whether through theming or other adjustments, can play a crucial role in your productivity, comfort, and overall well-being while working. Thank you for tuning into today's video. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your Excel experience. Until next time, happy spreadsheeting, and enjoy the sleek, comfortable ambience that dark mode brings to your workday.